Hello, my name is John Thuma from Arcadia Data. In this video, I will show you how to manage datasets and build some dashboards. I will also review some new features available in Arcadia Data 4.2. But first, a little about Arcadia Data. Arcadia Enterprise enables self-service business intelligence on your data lake. 100% browser-based, Arcadia Enterprise includes support for instant visuals and recommendations as well as real-time BI. Part 1 of the video includes a review of the Chicago Data Portal, adding data from a URL, building a dataset, and building a simple dashboard, including a new feature called Explore Visual. Part 2 includes a review of the TV dataset, building a more sophisticated dashboard, modifying visuals, and filtering and drilling into the detailed dataset. The City of Chicago's Open Data Portal lets you find city data, allowing you to freely download or connect to the data for your own analysis. Many of these datasets are updated at least once per day. The Open Data Portal is required under an executive order signed by Mayor Rahm Emanuel on December 10, 2012. For the purpose of today's exercise, we'll be using a dataset, which is a listing of all current City of Chicago employees, complete full names, departments, and positions. Arcadia Data allows you to import data via flat file or URL methods. When loaded, the data is persisted as a new table, adding it to an existing data repository. Click the data link on the top gray bar. Click Add Data, select the URL option, enter the URL, and click Get Data, and you're done. The data is now available and can be joined with other existing datasets. With Arcadia Data, we can create logical datasets which model semantic relationships across multiple data sources. Datasets enable us to build blended visuals, dashboards, and applications. Click Test CPay, and let's review. To the right is a link to create a new dataset, refresh, and compute statistics. I'm now able to review sample data and other information about my data. Click New Dataset to the right of Test CPay. Give the dataset a name, and click Create. We have now created a new dataset titled Chicago Pay. We will use this dataset to construct dashboards and visuals. Let's take a closer look. Click the Chicago Pay dataset. It is very easy to make changes to the fields of a dataset. Click Fields on the left menu. Click the Edit Field button. Now we can change dimension and measure types, change logical data types without changing the source. We can hide fields that are not typically used. Finally, let's take a closer look at the full or part-time field. Let's change the display name to a more business-friendly term. We can also change the default aggregation, as well as change the geotype, if applicable. Once finished, we click Apply, and finally save our changes. Arcadia Data makes it simple to customize your own semantic layer. Arcadia Data makes it easy to build and customize visuals and dashboards. We are now ready to construct a visual using the Chicago Pay dataset built in the previous section. We will also review a new feature called Explore Visual. Click Create Dashboard in the upper right corner of the screen. The Visual Designer appears. You will notice a table appears representing the Chicago Pay dataset. Click the pencil to modify the visual. Add the department dimension and annual salary measure to the visual shelf. Next, we click on Explore Visuals. Based on the field selected, a collection of recommended visuals appears. Select the packed bubbles as it shows how police and fire are proportionally larger. Select Save and Close and go back to the dashboard. Click the police bubble and select Show Detailed Data to review the members of the police force that make up that bubble. We can now download or email this data as required. Part 2 includes a review of the TV dataset, building a more sophisticated dashboard, modifying visuals, and filtering and drilling into the detailed dataset. The TV Viewer dataset provides the dates, times, channels, and programs being watched. The business user wants to explore when users are watching TV and what shows and channels they are watching in order to create an email marketing campaign. Click the Test TV dataset and then click New Dashboard. The Visual Designer interface comes up and we're going to build two visuals and a filter. Now, hover over the table and click the pencil to edit. Add date string and record count to the visual shelf, and then click Explore Visual. Because one of the columns selected is a date string, the Explore interface is suggesting a calendar heat map. After a quick review, we select the calendar heat map. We click Close and Save. Notice that viewership is high in the fall and over the weekends. Now let's add another visual to our dashboard. Click New Visual on the right. A new visual table appears, and we click the pencil to edit. Add channel, program, and record count to the visual shelf. Click Record Count and select Order in top K. Enter 50. This will limit our visual to the 50 most watched programs and channels. Now let's click the Explore Visuals option. Let's quickly review the visual recommendations that Arcadia Data made. The network visual is very interesting, but let's stick to something more conventional and go with the horizontal bars. Select Save and Close. And now let's explore some other options we can do with our visuals. Next, let's change the calendar heat map to green. Select Visual Options and select Colors. Let's review the color options and select the green calendar heat map. Next, I am going to remove the legend on the horizontal bars visual using the same process. Select Explore Options on the horizontal bars visual. Then choose Settings. Review the horizontal bars visual recommendations. When ready, select the visual without the legend, and we're done. Now we are going to add a filter on the channel field. Click on Filters on the right side of the Visual Designer, and then click the channel field. You will notice that the channel filter has been added to the filter shelf. Click Save to save our dashboard. Now let's click View to use our new dashboard. Click on the channel filter, select some entries, and let's watch our visuals conform to the selected options. Finally, we hover over and click on the CBS option for college basketball. We then click Show Detailed Data. Now we have our list of viewers for our email campaign. Arcadia Data makes it simple for non-BI experts to take advantage of your data lake assets. Thank you for watching.